one school, one unified effort to educate students, many of whom are in their first years of school. How better to make school an awesome experience than to connect all that they are learning with the environment around them? According to integrated STEM teaching and learning into the K through 12 classroom, learning is a developmental progression designed to help children continually build on and revise their knowledge and abilities, starting from their curiosity about what they see around them and their initial conception about how the world works. This is a very formative time for people and the best time to help them build a solid foundation. STEM education is a meta-discipline that integrates formally separated subjects into a new and coherent field of study. And so thinking about STREAM, you now are basically integrating and connecting every discipline into a unified effort to learn. You are removing barriers that are put up in education and allowing students to just learn. Learn in a way that makes sense and doesn't divide or separate. A school-wide STREAM program is the answer. The National Generation Science Standards, NGSS, are a great way to help promote this integration and give a structure to how teachers can make this unified effort happen. The NGSS give local educators the flexibility to design classroom learning experiences that stimulate students' interests in science and prepare them for college, career, and citizenship. The fact that they are already looking at career and college from a young age is very important, and the three dimensions that are woven into every standard, such as cross-cutting concepts, science and engineering practices, and disciplinary core ideas, make the standards consistent. Our community has amazing resources, including the local combined BLM and U.S. Forest Service offices, the Steelheaders Group, the Master Gardeners, as well as beautiful outdoor resources surrounding each of our local elementary schools. This will be a team effort that doesn't have to consume one person or one group, allowing the efforts to be sustainable and not overwhelming for any one teacher, school, or group. Students will learn what to do if something fails, how to work with others, how to connect what they are doing can impact the world around them tomorrow. Teachers have to learn the same thing. There can be great consistency that carries to middle school and high school, consistency that carries into making them successful and productive members of our community, the kind that we can be proud of as they walk across the stage at graduation. All because we decided to incorporate STREAM into being a school-wide program.